I would have preferred not to be.
There was at one point where I'd stayed in one of the, I'm sitting on a bathroom floor, door locked, she's banging away, screaming, blah, 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 and then suddenly she stopped.
He was hitting me, and he was hitting me hard and repeatedly, and I was screaming. Security walks in and they don't do anything.
A respected artist whose name was associated with success. Today, his name is associated with a lie, a false statement uttered by the defendant, Amber Heard.
This conspiracy with her friends, and she's making these things up, that these Depp fans take and run with these things. And you see that it just spreads out into the internet and the social media and generates a lot of negative.
And the need for a fight from Ms. Heard.
Did you see how the judge kicked Amber Heard out of the court for laughing at Johnny Depp's heart-touching testimony? It looks like the world is catching on to her act and people have had enough of it. Not just you and I, but the judge is also seen to be pretty pissed off at her for being so rude about something so serious. Stay tuned to find out what went down in the court. You are bound to be surprised. Before we proceed, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on this chaotic court case. The court case that started out as very angry has now transformed into something full of laughter. Some of these laughs are genuine, as the public loves what Johnny had to say and his jokes. However, some of these laughs are quite mean and sarcastic in nature. All of these are coming from Amber's end. She's either laughing, giggling, or scoffing at Johnny's words. Here is an exact situation where Johnny Depp made a joke, but not at the expense of his ex-wife. Johnny Depp is arguing that his ex-wife defamed him in December 2018, when she wrote a published piece for the Washington Post, titled, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change." Following Depp's lawsuit against his ex-wife in March of 2019, the defamation trial between the actor and his ex-wife Heard started on Monday, April 11th. In a courtroom, Johnny Depp, who is suing Amber Heard for $50 million in the defamation case, said, "Every hour is happy hour." He also said that he and Marilyn Manson used to do drugs together. Amber Heard's lawyer, Ben Rottenborn, asked Depp if he remembers taking pills with Mr. Manson, to which Mr. Depp said he once gave Marilyn Manson a pill so that he would stop talking so much. This made Depp himself smile, and we got a loud laugh from the courtroom as well. Asking about his drug use by Rottenborn, Depp said he found drugs at a young age. He first took one of his mother's nerve pills when he was 11. He said it was his first exposure to drugs. That was not the only time the public laughed joyously at what he had to say. Here's what happened another time in court. During his testimony, Mr. Depp said that a chef made Miss Heard her favorite Mexican meal for her 30th birthday. He caught himself and feared that someone would object to his own testimony. Mr. Depp told the court, "I think that's hearsay, I guess." The court laughed. There was a moment when the judge said, "I don't think it's even being used for the truth of the matter." Mr. Depp's lawyer could be heard saying, "He got it," to which the Hollywood star told them all, "I'm learning." In his defamation case against Amber Heard, Johnny Depp laughed when the court saw a text message in which he told his nurse Debbie Lloyd that, "You can give me some morphine to see if my tongue and penis touch." The text was part of an apology after Mr. Depp had refused to see Miss Lloyd or anyone else on the same day that the text was written. "Hey sweetheart, I'm so sorry about today. I thought you were Steven, whom I'm not particularly enthused about for his loss of loyalty and his loss of memory. He has tried everything to F me over as far as traveling with my wife. He also burst into my effing house like it's Grand Central Station. I'm truly sorry if I upset you. If you like, you can give me some morphine to see if my tongue and penis touch. All my love, Jay," Mr. Depp concluded. This too resulted in lots of laughter as people found the penis mention and the funny tone quite entertaining. While Depp was doing all this and putting a very lighthearted front for the people, Amber, on the other hand, had vile things planned. It was repeatedly seen that she would scoff at his words. To make matters worse, she even smiled when the recording of her was being played. In the recording, we can clearly hear her say that she enjoyed clocking Johnny. When this line was heard, we see Amber boast a discreet smile as if she was proud of doing it. Stay tuned to see what actually happened. She not only smiled when Johnny testified, but she also testified when her ex-assistant talked about her traumatic experiences with Heard. Kate James, Heard's former assistant, told a judge in court that the Aquaman actress spat in her face when she asked for half her usual salary. Amber turned around and smiled at someone behind her during her testimony. This is how it worked. Salary negotiations turned into a real fight, said James in a pre-recorded testimony. I specifically remember standing in her office. When she leapt up out of her chair, put her face approximately 4 inches from my face, she was spitting in my face and telling me how dare I ask for the salary I was asking for, which was half of my regular annual salary. I was offering her that as a favor, and she felt that gave her the right to spit in my face. Did you get to see how she mocked Johnny and kind of agreed to hitting him? In a set of tapes recorded by him, Depp is asking Amber Heard about the time in which she hurt him with a door and proceeded to punch him straight in the face. She apologized for hitting him with the door, but she is on record for saying she meant to clock him in the face. There's a video of her deposition in which she is listening to the tape, and its content is interesting. In the video, you can see a confused Johnny as he tries to figure out what Amber is sorry for. She says at first that she's sorry for punching him, but then she says she was only sorry about the door. She then says that after Johnny told her the whole story, she meant to punch him in the face. She had a smile on her face the whole time she was listening to the story. When she talked about the time she hit Johnny Depp, it looked like she was having a good time. A lot of things are starting to go in Depp's favor, and there is no doubt about it. Even fans were agitated and pissed at Amber Heard. Here's what one fan had to say about the entire ordeal. Amber Heard smirking and smiling while listening to a tape where she says, "I did mean to hit you," to Johnny Depp. #justice for Johnny Depp. For the longest time, Amber has been known to lie her way through everything. Remember the time when Amber came to court claiming that Johnny Depp had hit her with a mobile phone? Depp denied any such allegations immediately. Despite what Depp said, the police who first looked into Heard's claims said that they found no evidence of a crime. Turns out she was lying then as well. Even Depp's friend came forward about the lies Amber told. He said that she had faked bruises on her face. Baruch testified that Heard had told him that her husband threw a phone at her and hit her inside the couple's Los Angeles penthouse. He said he never noticed any evidence of abuse on Heard's face. "I'm looking and I inspect her face," Baruch said of the alleged May 2016 incident. "And I don't see anything. I don't see a cut, a bruise, swelling, redness." As it turns out, Amber Heard had never been assaulted that way. What's more, this one time she even drew fake bruises on her face. At this pace, with so much incriminating evidence against Amber, it is very much possible that the court might rule in his favor. However, we don't know what the court holds for us. Comment down below to let us know what you think. And that's it for today, folks. Do check out some of these tea-filled videos we have for you. Goodbye for now.